Action. Welcome to MarineMax Panama City Beach. My name is Jay Danberg. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough. This is a brand new model from Grady-White. It is a 215 Freedom dual console. So you really get the best of both worlds with this boat. It is the perfect family fishing boat. Great seating. You got the Yamaha 200 4-stroke. You have a center live well here. Nice ski pole. And the extended swim platform makes it really easy to get on and off of the dock. But of course, everybody knows the best thing about Grady-White is the ride. Of course, this boat does have the CV2 hull, so driest, most stable, soft ride in the business. Come see us. We'd love to show you why. This is the all-new Grady-White 215 Freedom. Thank you.